Next up, go for a drive for Phalanx. In this, we need to acquire an encrypted hard drive, then drive around for 2 consecutive minutes while carrying it, and finally deliver it to the den drop in the zoo. This is pretty simple. The most difficult part is finding an encrypted hard drive. You'll usually find these inside of safes, oftentimes inside of computers, and of course those orange boxes lying around the map. On Vondel, this is a brilliant place to find this, as there's tons of computers stacked together in some buildings, and of course lots of strongholds with orange boxes and even more computers in them, so you'll have a very high chance of finding both GPUs and the encrypted hard drive here. Heck, I've even found it in airdrops and commander drops as well. Okay, so starting down here by the cruise terminal, we'll go ahead and look for some safes. There's usually a safe located in this pizza house here. Nope, nothing up here. Let's have a look at the zoo. Usually one in this building here, if there is any. Okay, so let's have a look. Is there a safe here? Yes, there is. Alright, and in the safe we have nothing. Sweet. The next one will be here, the floating district. Okay, so in this building here we have nothing. Cool. The next possible safe is all the way up. We have a key for a stronghold. We may as well check here as well. There's a few durable gas masks in this orange crate. Well, no safe, unfortunately, so we'll check the next place. We'll head all the way to the market here and check these 2 buildings. One of them's a stronghold, so it'll maybe have even better loot. Computer cases, and inside of each one we have a good chance of finding an encrypted hard drive, and of course a GPU if we're even luckier. As upstairs here, but there's just tons of them lying around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a fire station key. It's probably worthwhile checking to see if there's any loot here. So there's a few computers here in the Vondel fire station. Obviously, if you have a key, it's worthwhile checking these, as there are quite a few here. Oh, there we go, another GPU. Perfect. And an encrypted hard drive. Now I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. I need this encrypted hard drive that took me a while to find, and in fact it was more rare in my case than finding this second GPU. So let's grab this chop top that's just pulled up here. Fresh delivery. Oh my goodness, I can't even get out of this house. Okay, so let's quickly grab this chop top. Okay, sweet. So all we need to do now is using a chop top, drive around for 2 minutes solid. Now obviously this thing is very low HP, so we don't really want to be driving around too much. I think we need to be moving in order for this to count, though I'm not entirely sure. Obviously whether you choose to move or not is your preference, but probably finding a safe place to chill out is what you should do. Let's just stop here and quickly see if we can. So we can just chill out until this is done. Though we do need to be in the driver's seat, and it needs to be continuous. Okay, let's see if we can maybe sneak back here and just park off here, maybe even behind this. Perfect. This gives us some pretty good cover. So obviously, as I have a hard drive in my inventory, this is the last thing I want to do, as there's people in the zoo here. I'm driving a car, so I'm on the map, etc, etc. The list just goes on and on. So when this is done, we need to run to the dead drop and place it in the zoo dead drop. Okay, well, so much for driving around. I've just been sitting here for 2 minutes, I think it is. Yep, 2 minutes. There we go. Transfer complete. Now, all we need to do is get this to a dead drop. Now, obviously, as there's players in the area, I want to do this quietly. So running up to the dead drop here, we'll open it and place our loaded hard drive in here. Closing it, we should now have completed the mission. Now, all that's left to do is to get out of here. Sweet, so let's head for the exfil and get out of here. And sweet, he didn't take my GPU. Oh, never mind, he did. Yoink. Well, unfortunately, we lost the rest of the things we had to complete another mission, but it's cool that we extracted with the GPU. And there we go, extracted. That's now 2, and we finished that little upgrade mission. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.